Hey, are you getting excited for the holidays? How about all the extra stress that comes with holiday preparation? Children look forward to the holidays, but women can often feel buried by them. Hi, my name is Angela Pearson, and I am a dedicated wife, mother, and student at BYU Idaho in Marriage and Family Studies. As the owner of Happy Holidays, my mission is to create alignment in the hearts and minds of our worlds. With over 28 years of experience, I know the ingredients for a happy holiday and how to avoid hairy holidays. The requests for classes keep coming in, and so I'm offering an evolutionary 2-hour retreat to get women grounded, clear, and excited about the holidays this year. Almost every household in America has a resident woman responsible for making sure that Santa shows up. That's a huge market. We're offering this service through direct marketing and personal invitations. Nobody else does that. The retreat has projected revenue of over $100 an hour, and your $150 investment allows us to hire consultants and launch our social media campaign while giving you a 15% ROI in a month. This unique retreat will be held at home in the living room around the kitchen table, providing an intimate and safe atmosphere above and beyond the competition. Give me your card. I'd be happy to give you a call.